Okay, so now we're going to go over capacity. Capacity is how much liquid a container can hold. So we're looking at words like ounces, fluid ounces, that's the abbreviation. We're looking at pint or PT, quart, which is QT, and gallon, which is where you usually get a big gallon of milk. So those are the different words for capacity. We also have cups. All right, next. Okay, so here is a picture, the customary units of capacity. For every pint is equal to 2 cups, a quart is equal to 2 pints, 1 quart is 4 cups, a gallon is 4 quarts, a gallon is 8 pints, and a gallon is 16 cups. So here's the customary units. This is how you show fluid ounces, cups, pint, quart, and gallon. So there's 8 ounces in a cup, there's 2 cups in a pint, and 2 pints in a quart. So I drew this little picture to show you this is 1 cup is equal to 8 ounces. So if a recipe says something like 8 ounces of milk, that would mean 1 cup of milk. So one of the questions that we're going to look at is how many ounces in 3 cups. So if these are our cups, 1, 2, 3, we have a total of 24 ounces. So we're thinking about 3 cups equals how many ounces? So if I know that there are 8 ounces in 1 cup, and I have 3 cups, I'm going to multiply. So I'm changing from a larger unit, which is cups, to ounces. So I'm going to multiply.
What do you want?
Yes, that's.
What do you want?
What do I want?
Just
you want the
one.
gallon? Okay, that's Lily. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so we're going to multiply 3 cups times 8 ounces, and that means we're going to have 8 ounces, 8 ounces, 8 ounces, because each of these is equal to 1 cup. Okay, so again, 1 cup equals 8 ounces, 8 ounces, 8 ounces. So we would multiply 1, 2, 3, 8 times 3. 8 ounces times 3 cups is 24 ounces. Pint, oops. Again, remember to change larger units to small units, we multiply. If we want to change from smaller units to larger units, we're going to divide. Again, remember, you want to think if you're changing from larger units to smaller units. So if you're changing from a cup to ounces, you're going to multiply because you're taking something small and you want to make it big. If you're taking something big and you want to make it small, you're going to divide. All right, that's it for capacity.